Hi, I'm Traci Copeland and this is The Right Way with Well+Good. Today I'm going to take you through the right way to do a handstand, but first I'm going to take you through the wrong way. So this is what I typically see happening in a handstand. So people put their hands on the ground and they keep their head out and they have their back super arched and they're not even kicking up all the way. So notice how my shoulders aren't even getting over my wrists. Almost looks like sort of a variation of downward dog. You can't do a handstand unless your shoulders get over the wrists. And then of course, there's the opposite. People end up kicking a little bit too hard and they don't know how to control it. So I'm going to teach you how to control your handstand, at least get into it in a proper, safe way. So start with your hands on the ground first. I think this is the best way. This way you can actually control your movement. Keep your fingers spread just like you would in a plank. So lift one leg off the ground, whatever leg feels most comfortable, and then just start to lift that leg off the ground. Just do a few handstand hops first, okay? Notice how my shoulders get right over my wrists. And then once you get that sweet spot where your shoulders are over your wrists, then you can slowly bring your legs together, holding here. And if you need to walk around a little bit, that's totally fine. And then slowly come down. So that would be the right way to get into a handstand. My name is Traci Copeland, and that was The Right Way with Well+Good. If you want more right ways, subscribe to Well+Good today.